What's up guys, it's Geeks Corner here, and today we're looking at the Apple Watch Series 4. I actually managed to get my hands on this. I didn't bother pre-ordering it, and I actually waited in line a little bit. I managed to get my hands on this one. Now obviously it's got a bigger display and I went for the 44mm. I have actually got some photos of the 40mm as well, so you can see the difference between the three sizes. And as you can see, you've got a nice scroll there, so everything just goes up nicely off there. Now it has got more of a curve on here, and I have noticed that some of the words that are coming in, it does cut it off, so I can see why Apple isn't actually doing around Apple Watch. And you can actually do feel more of a haptic feedback when you're turning this, so it actually does feel more like an actual crown now than previously where it was quite loose. So it is definitely a nice feeling. I went for the cellular model as well, so it's got the red ring on there, and obviously you got your speaker here as well. And they didn't have the actual strap I wanted, so I went with the black 44mm. I've actually got this one already for the 42, but this one's actually got the black pin as opposed to the silver one there, so it just doesn't stand out as much as well. It's actually quite nice. So one thing I wanted to look at was actually how the straps fit, because obviously Apple said that it is going to fit in there. So let's just have a little look and see what the actual fit is like. So this is, again, it's an official Apple one as well. This was for the 42. So as you can see, it looks the same on that fitting. And just trying to do a side-by-side comparison. So really not much difference on there at all, so for those people who are actually worried. And I've also got a third-party one here as well, which I'm going to put on. I got actually Sports Loop third-party, so I can actually try that one. So that's the third-party Sports Loop. So it doesn't actually look too much thinner than when it was on the Series 3. So for anybody who's worried about that. So initial feedback is, it is really nice. It is obviously does look a lot bigger on the wrist, but when you're actually wearing it, it doesn't feel overly too big. So if you were wearing a 42 before, I definitely recommend getting the 44. And obviously if you had the 38, definitely the 40. And I'll put a picture in now as well of the bands together so you can see the size difference as well. So on the left there you've got the 40mm stainless steel, then you've got my Series 3, and then you've got the 44mm stainless steel, and also the 44mm aluminium as well. It is pretty easy obviously to set up, because I just set it from the backup of my previous one. I haven't set up the cellular on there yet, so I can't compare that. Now I'm just going to try the sound and see. Apple said obviously about it being 50% louder. Now I'm not going to use the key phrase because I don't want to trigger it off, and if I raise it up to speak, it's probably not going to pick it up from here. So, what's the weather today?
Here's the forecast for today.
So it is definitely louder. Text my wife, I am enjoying my new Apple Watch.
Okay, I'll send this.
So it is difficult to describe the haptic feedback, but if you've used any of Apple's products before, it's definitely stronger than on the last model. So it is quite a nice feeling there. So yeah, definitely I'm glad I went for this model. Let me know in the comments below what you actually guys got as well, if you did get an Apple Watch or if you got the new iPhone today. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.